Hey friends, if you encounter the error we couldn't install a required dependency while trying to use Valorant, then the solution is as follows. First of all, search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Task Manager application. Now go to the Details tab, expand the list, scroll down to R, the section which says R. So in R you'll find this thing Riot client services.exe, anything related to Riot with the Riot symbol. Right click on it and select end process tree. When you click on end process tree once again, it will end every Riot process here. Once this is done, search for the word services in the Windows search bar and open the services window. Now scroll down to the VGC service. Since the list is in alphabetical order, you will find it easily. Double click on it. Now change the startup type from manual to automatic. Click on start. Wait for a few seconds for the service to start. Click on apply and then on OK. This will solve the problem for you. And if it does, then please feel free to subscribe to our channel. If it does not solve your problem, then let us know in the comment section and we will investigate further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.